Hello everyone, so we'll be doing tier list. Here, let me turn my music down, I can't hear anything over it. You have to actually make it, okay? Hyper Emotes tier list. We'll go ahead and get started, I guess. We got... I don't know half of these emotes. What is this? Alright. Well, obviously, you know... Actually, easy. That one, tack, thick emo. Capital E colon S tier. Kappa's A tier. And Kappa Pride. Feels strong, man. A tier, solid A tier. Such a good emo. Pepe Hands also A tier. I don't know if it's quite S tier. Honestly, Easy is probably A tier. I feel like Sag and Madge kind of is true. The one that says "Are you" is true. Yeah. This one's kind of lame. Not gonna lie. It's just petting a fish. I mean, come on. Is that really worthy of A or S tier? This one, A tier. A lot of these are so similar. Like this. And that, I don't know, you know, they're kind of B tier, they're kind of like, honestly C tier. They're just kind of generic. Omega Lol, S tier. I don't know what this is. Hypers, and Cat Jam, also S tier. Alright, Poggers, B tier. Pog, A tier. Weird Champ, A tier. Pepe Laugh, B. I feel like all the rest of these are B's. I don't know. I would say that's my emo tier list. Minecraft YouTubers. Alright, I'm gonna change unwatchable to not watched. RT Gang, not watched. A6D. Good, I guess. I'd say okay, maybe. I don't really watch his video. Ant Venom. Okay, I feel like we need a new category for Ant Venom. Okay. Godlike will be... We'll add one above Godlike. Nostalgic. There we go. Popular MMOs. Sunday. What is the redstone? Is that, Seth Bling? Look, man. Tommy Innit, Oversoot, Dream, Godlike. Schlatt, Godlike. Skeppy. Look, these are... I'm about to make... This is about to cause so much drama. I feel like it's kind of the same... This is hard. The only reason I watch... I'll probably put him there. Yeah, I only really watch his videos for like the update videos. That's it. Hub fan, I don't really watch, so I'll put him at okay. IBX Toy Cat. Okay, this one's hard because I occasionally watch his videos, but they're so clickbait. I feel like he deserves bad, but like, yeah, I'm gonna Illumina. Don't watch. I did enjoy the videos I did watch, but I don't watch his video. Tango Tech, don't watch. That's Seth Bling. I'll put him at great. I don't really watch him. Actually, I'll put him at nostalgic. Jeez, shut up, Tech. MC Biome tier list. I'm gonna get rid of the need to win. Sorry, Faye. Alright, building terms. Ice Spike Biome, S tier. Well, no. Okay, no. A tier. I really like jungle biomes in terms of building. Okay. These biomes are really nice for building underwater bases. There. This is good because it's a lot of flat open space, so I'll put that at A. Swamp, F tier. Swamps are terrible for building them. These are cool. I remember I built a base in a biome like this. These two, the forests, I'm gonna put B tier. I'm gonna put that A tier because it's another big flat area. Caves, C. Fayy. What is this? I don't know what this is. Okay, we'll do the candy one. Okay, this could be good. This could be good. Sour Patch Kid, S tier. I'll start off with S tier. We'll do all the S tiers. The only reason I put this in S tier is I got this for Christmas every single year without fail. And it just became my favorite. Like, I just associate Hubble Bubble Gum with Christmas. It will cause a war. It really will. Yo, these things, A tier. Skittles. Are these M&Ms then? I think those are M&Ms. I'm gonna put this back. Okay, anyways, I'll put those at A tier because they are pretty good. Anyways, Fruit Gushers, A tier. Whoppers are aight. Not my favorite. They're okay. Jolly Rancher, S tier. York Peppermint Patties, A tier. Pixie Sticks. This is just ingesting pure sugar. That's all that is. Are these jelly beans? Jelly beans are good. S tier. S tier. Laffy Taffy, A. These things, C. Pez, A. Hershey, B. Smarties, A. Cookie dough, never had it, never had it. Ring Pops, Sweet Tarts, I'd say that's about mine. Candy. Girl Scout cookies. The Moe's S tier, 100%. Thin Mints, also S tier. Everything else, A. The peanut butter ones. I think these are the lemon ones. No, these are the lemon ones. Those are really messy though. I'd say B. Boom, boom. These are probably just chocolate chip cookies. Probably A tier. I've had these. D tier. Don't like them. Everything else, no. Pass. I don't know any of these. I need to chip tier list. Here's something I can do. Here's something I can actually do. S tier. My favorite. Okay, I can't say my favorite Doritos because I found better Doritos. The Chile Limon. Cool Ranch, A. Classic, B. Nacho. Takis. I would have a month ago put Takis, or a month or two ago, put Takis S tier. Now they're just A tier. Funyuns, A tier. I hate onions, but Funyuns are so good. Regular Cheetos, C tier. These, D tier. Kind of lame. Cheez-Its, put B. Do I like them? I do kind of like them better, I'll be honest. Pizza Pringles, never had them, but I'd probably put them there. Cheez-Its, A. Pretzels, B, C. There we go. Pig Step, Stall, Ward, D. Strad. I think I like Strad. Wait, it's like perfect Minecraft. So is Strad. Strad's good. I like Strad. Strad's an A tier. It goes with Blocks. Blocks is good. I'm actually gonna put. I like Ward. Mellow High. Message deleted, of course. That one's. I don't know. Another kind of overplayed one. B tier. I like Ward. Ward's good. The beginning's kind of lame, but then it gets good. It gets good. It's like really. Oh my god. We don't. No. Message. Stop. Murder the Flamingos. Alright. We heard Chirp. We know Stall. Let's listen to Mall. It's another one of those ones that's kind of like just really. I'm gonna put this one in blue C tier. I think that's good. music discs.
Okay.